I'm going to show you how we can remove the error where Maya tells you you are attempting to load a file with legacy render layers. So you can close that, and I've checked in my script editor and my error is the legacy render layers one, so let's fix that. I'm going to close that. I'm going to open up my render layer setup, which is the little checkerboard icon up here with the 2 layers. And then I'm going to go to Options, Display Render Setup Nodes in Editors. And then I'm going to go to my outliner and I'm going to hit Display and turn off DAG Objects Only. Now this gets a little scary because this is going to show you loads of stuff that's normally hidden. What we're actually looking to delete is this default render layer 1. You might have multiple, you want to delete them all and then just leave the default render layer. Maya, if you try and delete this, will give you an error saying it's non-deletable node, so you can't delete that. Once you've deleted that, you can recheck the DAG Objects Only and hide everything that we don't need to see. Save your scene. And then if we open it again, and you'll see that we've removed the default legacy render layer error.